What's up, everybody? Last video I showed you a little bit of the green WX and how it's getting started, but we also have two other projects that we're going to be performing on the channel. Don't mind the dust. It is coming into springtime here. We've had really weird weather: wet, dry, hot, snow, rain, dry, hot, who knows. So these are the other two projects we currently also have on the go at Limitless Garage. This one, an 03 Impreza TS wagon, 2.5 liter naturally aspirated. The motor's out at my buddy Justin Russi's place right now. He is rebuilding that. You're going to see him on the channel eventually. This car started life as a bone stock TS wagon with a shit ton of kilometers that I picked up for $750. And through the power of Facebook Marketplace, I have, and some trades and wheeling and dealing, she's pretty much all STI suspension, JDM STI front rear sway bars, big 18 by 10.5 inch tire, rims 255s all around. You can see there's a cage in there. We have gone with the STI interior, but she is dirty. And this car will eventually be getting LS swapped if I don't sell it when the motor's back in, but I don't know. I just haven't driven it in a while, so maybe I'm just missing it, but it is ridiculous. The other car is my son's car, a 99 Passat wagon that has an absolutely immaculate body on it. Eurotech coilovers, 18-inch Avant rims. And this car, we might be looking at V10 swapping as well, with a full cage and tons of stuff to happen to this car also. But yes, very dirty, but two more of the projects we have coming at you this spring as well. So check them out, like and subscribe. It helps the channel tons, and we'll see you in the next video.